For many organizations, SAP is the mission-critical system driving core business processes, and Esri GIS software drives creation and management of authoritative geospatial data. Organizations relying on these powerful systems need them to be tightly integrated in order to deliver unified business processes on and off the field. Spatialitics Unity engine facilitates real-time synchronization of data between a geo-enabled SAP S/4HANA or SAP Business Suite and Enterprise GIS powered by Esri's ArcGIS. This helps customers correlate business and geospatial data and extract deeper insights from both systems without having to switch between the two. Consider the scenario of an electric utility where a work order is initiated for relocating a transformer. The field staff uses a GIS app to locate the transformer, and once the work is completed, updates the new location in Enterprise GIS. Spatialitics Unity engine synchronizes this new location with SAP in real time. This enables the supervisor to geospatially view and validate the relocation task before closing the work order in SAP. Spatialitics Unity engine provides essential capabilities enabling asset-intensive organizations to run their business with confidence in their data and systems.